Okay, so the first thing I need to do really is I need to have two different backgrounds. So this first background will be when the game begins, and I'm going to paint a new background, and let's just paint it red, and I'm going to put on there game over, which is also in red at the moment. So let's change that to black. So there's my first backdrop, and that's when the game is over. Okay, so now I go to scripts. Now when the green flag is clicked, I would like the backdrop to be backdrop 1, which is the white background. And I then need to set a variable. So I've already made one called timer. Let's just make another one to show you how it works. So let's call this timer 2. You can call yours timer, doesn't really matter. And when the game begins, I want to set the timer to, let's say, 60 seconds, because I'm going to count down. You can count up, of course. And I'm going to repeat until I'm going to change the timer by -1. Now I want that to happen every second, so I need to add a wait 1 second. So this will count down 60, 59, 58. However, I will need to get some sort of an operator to control this loop, because I want to repeat whatever goes on inside this box until the timer equals 0. So in here, I just click and type 0, and in the little box on the left, I go and get timer, mine's timer 2. So repeat until timer 2 equals 0, change by -1. Now when all of that happens, I need to switch the backdrop to backdrop 2. So let's click the green flag and this should work. So the timer 2 starts at 60 seconds and it counts down, and when it gets to 0, it will change to backdrop 2.